Why does your scanner show the P2033 engine code? What does it mean? P2033 is a diagnostic trouble code for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit, High Bank 1 Sensor 2. This code indicates the vehicle's computer is detecting a voltage reading from the exhaust gas temperature sensor that is too high, indicating a potential issue with the sensor or its circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. EGT sensor malfunction, wiring issues, PCM problems, exhaust system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in vehicles equipped with OBD-II systems, particularly those with diesel engines. It is commonly found in Ford, GM, and Toyota models. To fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.